let's be honest for a second. If you have tried to figure out if you can buy a home lately, the internet has not made this easier. Everyone has an opinion. Everyone has a hot take. And half the time, you don't even know if the expert you're listening to is even a real person or just an avatar optimized to feed an algorithm where views matter more than whether the information is actually right. That is exactly why we are launching the Real Estate Playbook series right here at Keller Williams Rockwall in 2026. This is about making real estate personal again. No gatekeeping, no vague advice, no algorithms deciding what you should hear. We are putting you in the room with actual local experts, people who do this every day and know the market, who understand the rules, the risks, and the reality. And you get to ask the questions, the real ones, not just what you need in general, but whether you specifically are positioned to buy a home. And if you aren't right now, what you specifically need to do to get there. Our very first playbook launches February 28th, and we are going all in on first-time home buyers. If you are wondering things like, do I actually qualify to buy a home? Do I need 20% down? Am I already too late? And what if I make a mistake I can't undo? These are exactly the types of things we are going to cover in this playbook. And know this, there's no perfect starting point. There's no moral grade on your finances. And you are not the only one who is trying to figure this out. This playbook is designed to give you clarity, not pressure. We'll walk through what it really takes to qualify for a home in today's market. What first-time buyers actually put down, not the myths. What a lot of people misunderstand about mortgage payments, and how to avoid the most common first-time buyer regrets. And we'll also talk about how to tell whether buying in 2026 actually makes sense for you. And if you want, you'll even have the option to get pre-qualified during the session. So you can leave knowing whether you qualify today or exactly what needs to change before you can buy. And if now is not the right time yet, that's okay. We will help you map out clear, specific next steps in a one-on-one follow-up based on your numbers, your goals, your situation. No guessing, no generic advice. And yes, this is completely free because informed buyers make better decisions. And we believe education should come before commitment. Whether you buy this year, next year, or later, you deserve to understand the process before it ever costs you a dollar. If buying a home has felt overwhelming, confusing, or out of reach, well, this is where you start. Join us here for the first-time homebuyer playbook on February 28th here at Keller Williams Rockwall. Get clarity, ask the questions that matter, and leave knowing what your next step is. Learn more and register at livinginrockwall.com/playbook. And if this playbook isn't the one you need right now, we'll be rolling out more through 2026, including sessions on investing, buying land, downsizing, and planning for retirement through real estate. Wherever you are in the process, this is the smart place to start.